and here for our final presentation assembly of 2020. It's Friday the 18th of December and we're here for our Year 5 presentation assembly for all those children who've been working super hard in Year 5 throughout this term. And these children have been working super hard. If it isn't you getting a certificate, don't worry, work really hard, really try as hard as you possibly can come the spring term. Who knows, it could be you earning yourselves a certificate. I'm going to kick off this morning. Obviously, we've got house captains, we've got Tanya here to come and help me read out the names, and we're going to start off with our English stars. Tanya.
Lily, Damien, Colby and Aston.
Lily, Damien, Colby and Aston. You really are English stars. Really well done. Amazing work throughout this term. Actually, amazing reading, amazing writing. Your handwriting as well has been phenomenal. So really well done, all four of you. You really deserve it. Put these certificates pride of place at home. I'm sure you'll get a treat now over Christmas. You deserve it. So really well done. And keep up, keep doing writing, keep doing your reading over the Christmas period. Hit the ground running in January and you'll keep moving at great pace and making amazing progress. So well done, all four of you. Proud of you. Thank you. Math stars. Come on, Ella, come and join me. Ella's going to read out our 4 math stars who've been working mathematically throughout this term. With Maths Mastery now in Year 5, these children have excelled in their maths work.
Amelia, William, Bianca and Janisa.
Amelia, William, Bianca and Janisa. Superstars, you mathematician superstars, you really are. And it's not always, they don't always find maths easy, but they work really, really hard and never give up. Lots of my themes throughout this about not giving up, keep learning, learning from our mistakes, and these 4 children epitomise that. They work so hard in maths, don't always find it easy, but they just keep plotting away, working really, really hard to get better and better. So really well done. Proud of all 4 of you. Put these certificates pride of place. Congratulations. Thank you, Ella. Moving on to our scientists and those working scientifically in Year 5. Congratulations to these 4 children.
Alicia, Brooklyn, Bartman and Oliver.
Alicia, Brooklyn, Bart and Oliver. Well done, you 4. Keep asking the why, the where, the what, the who. Keep being inquisitive, keep being scientific, keep working scientifically. Again, through your illustrations, your diagrams, your charts and your write-ups for your science, it is phenomenal. Keep it up, Year 5, because it is amazing, the science that you are doing. And we need more scientists in the world at the moment, don't we? You have to agree. So well done, all 4 of you. Proud of you. Enjoy taking those certificates home and hopefully you get a treat over Christmas as well. So congratulations and well done. Thank you. History stars, our historians. Find out where we come from and why we do what we do and why we live how we do. Come on, Ella. Our history stars in Year 5 are?
Logan, Amber, Dragos and Olivia.
Logan, Amber, Dragos and Olivia, our historians of Year 5. If you want to know anything about history, speak to these 4. They're the ones, they're our experts, but really well done. Amazing work throughout your history topics. Keep it up in the spring term. Really proud of you guys. Great, again, the way you're setting out the beautiful writing about all your different history topics. So really well done, all 4 of you. Congratulations, proud of you all. Thank you. Now we've got our reading stars. Now for these children who've been reading at least 5 times a week. I'm always asking, can we please set that target of at least 5 times? I expect everyone to be reading every day now. We should all be reading at least twice a day. We know we are. We know these 4 children are, and I've got these amazing books for these next 4 children coming up. Not only have we got a certificate, we've got amazing reading books that they can read over Christmas. If there's one thing you do over Christmas, try and read every day, because actually it will help you with your progress. So please set yourself that. If there's nothing else you do, please read every single day. Give it a go and fill in your reading records. But the Year 5s who've earned themselves certificates and books, Adriel, here it is, look at that. Look at that, The Mystery of the Missing Necklace by Enid Blyton. Enjoy that. We've also got Kieran, here he is, The Person Controller by David Baddiel. Look at that. Wow, that looks an amazing book. There we go, well done, Kieran. Deserve that, good lad. We've got Lamin, look. Mystery of the Invisible Thief. Really like to find out what goes on there, Lamin. So let me know when you read that over Christmas, all right? It's an amazing book. And then finally, Deanna. Here we go, Deanna, look at that. Keeping Henry, about a red squirrel. Hey, I know about red squirrels. They live on the Isle of Wight, where I'm from. Really well done. So well done to all 4 of you. Enjoy your books. I know you'll be reading throughout Christmas, and I know when you come back after Christmas, you'll tell me all about your amazing books. So congratulations. Enjoy them, and really well done. And keep up reading over Christmas. Well done. Moving on, we have our house points and the Keen Cup. And look at that, look. There it is. with our house captains eager to find out who's holding on to Keen Cup. What we're going to have a look at now is the top 3 in each Year 5 class to find out how many house points those children are earning. Multiply those by 5 and you'll see how many merits these children have earned over this term. It is fairly phenomenal. Let's find out. In Miss Arthurton's, in 3rd place, you'll see on 23, Amelia, amazing number of house points. In 2nd place, just ahead, Ashton on 24. And in 1st place, Freya on 26. Look how close it is. Give those 3 a round of applause. Really, really well done. You can do the maths. You see how many merits those children are earning. Amazing number of merits. Really, really well done. Moving on to Miss Musselwhite's. In 3rd place, we have Janissa on 17. In 2nd place, just ahead on 19, Nadia. And in 1st place, on 21, again, just like Raquel. Really look at these guys. Give them a round of applause as well, please. Because it's a huge number of merits they've been earning in Year 5. And I know how hard it is to earn merits in Year 5, so really well done. Take all those, divide by the number of children in each of those houses. Felbury were holding on to it at half time. So let's find out. Congratulations goes to Holcombe! Yes! Crowds go wild. Well done, Holcombe! House captains are going to be really chuffed when they get hold of their hands on this today. Well done, everyone in Holcombe. But if you're in Felbury, Sandringham or Blickling, don't worry. There's only 1 house point in it. It was really close at half term, but Felbury got it then. It's Holcombe's now to hold on to. So who knows, spring term, let's see. Blickling, Sandringham can pick up their game and then maybe get hold of that for half term. So really well done to all of you out there, because there's no one in school who hasn't earned a house point. Everyone's been earning merits and house points, so you're all important, every single one of you. So keep earning them. Huge congratulations and really well done. Moving on to our attendance league. The Bremner Shield, this is what we've all been working towards. Throughout this term, all the classes have been working towards seeing who gets the Bremner Shield for the best attendance this term. We are finally there, and we have our attendance league completed with all of our 14 classes throughout school just to see where they are. And we're going to see who's holding on to the shield at the end of this term and who we need to congratulate and who those children are. So let's have a little look and a quick run through from 14th place, Miss Barrett. In 13th place, we've got Mr. Pinner. In 12th place, Mr. Ackerman. In 11th, Miss White. In 10th, Miss Arthurton. In 9th, Mr. Davidson. In joint 7th is Miss Musselwhite and Miss Percy. Now, just pause it there, because actually, as you'll see, they're all Key Stage 2 classes. There's not a Key Stage 1 or reception class in amongst it. So that tells you that all 6 classes in the top 6 are either in Year 1, Year 2 or reception. So, I hope you're sitting there, eager anticipation for those classes. Let's find out. In 6th place, Miss Begum, Year 1. In 5th place, Miss Howkins, Year 2, brilliant. In 4th place, Miss Hall, superb. So the top 3, here we go. In 3rd place, Mrs. Cook, well done Mrs. Cook, 3rd place. Fantastic effort there. That's probably your best finish so far with Year 2s. Well done. In 2nd place, Miss Marshall, Year 1. Which, drum roll please everyone. In 1st place, look, Miss Arnold, a reception class. Come on, the first time ever a reception class have held on to the attendance league for a term. That is amazing. All reception Year 1s, Year 2s. This has been an amazing term for those children. Thank you, parents. Thank you for getting your children in. Well done to, look at that, total class. You absolute superstars. You are the winners of the attendance league. Huge congratulations to you. I'll be bringing this round to your class. So you keep that in class throughout next term and hopefully keep it up in the spring term. Really well done. Well done to everyone. Thank you, parents, for continuing to support us and getting your children to school. This has been the best term attendance for Marcross Primary School we have had. So really well done. Thank you so much. Right, moving on. Obviously, we have got our Christmas holidays are upon us. We break up this afternoon at 3:15 and the children are back to school on Monday the 4th of January, and as you can see, gates will be open at 8:30. My final message, thank you parents for all of your support throughout this term. We could not have got through this term without it. We really could not. I am constantly asking you all to stay home, protect Marcross, help keep school open. I'm still sending that message over and out at Christmas, please. It's really important. COVID hasn't gone away. It's still with us. Yes, we do want to visit our loved ones and our families. Please be careful over this period and this time. These are the times where I want to get back in January. We can continue being open, staying fully open and looking out for the whole community of Marlcross. So please, let's keep this concerted effort. We've got to today by doing that, by all keeping safe. So thank you all so much, because in the long run, it will benefit your children. Your children are loving coming to school. They're making progress. They're earning themselves certificates. So please, let's keep it up. Have a safe Christmas holiday, and until January 2021, see you all soon. Bye-bye now.